Hello, I'm back. I missed you guys. I missed you big, big, big times. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Queen Africa. Guys, I want to feed our rabbits, so I'm looking for weeds. Guys, did you know that rabbit meat it's a source of vitamins, minerals, phosphorus, and potassium? And it has an excellent balance of fatty acids and it's richer in omega 3. Did you know that, guys? And did you know also that they make us smile and cheer us up when we feel down? I hope you know now, guys. Rabbit is also good in making fertilizer. So, guys, this is a food for the rabbit. Come with me, we go and feed. For the rabbit. Come with me. I'll show you. I'll show you. As you can see, we have our two rabbits here. They're hungry, so I have to feed them. You see?
Sinakula.
Inakula. Iko sawa. Hii haina shida. You see, guys, rabbits are eating. So, guys, here is where our chicken sleeps and
Here
stays.
is where they sleep.
So I'm going to feed these chicks. Others are out feeding for themselves. These are chicks, guys. The reason why they're here is because those big hens or chicken, they can step on them. And when they step on them, guys, they definitely die. That's why we prefer separating them from the older ones. As you can see, guys, they're here, they're feeding for themselves. They're big, as you can see, and there are many. These are just little, others are in the compound or in the garden. So let me go and take the feeds. I come and feed the chicken or chicks. Chicken feed to come and feed these chicks. So let me take them.
Ziko pale mwisho.
So guys, this is the feed. You see, these are feeding for themselves. So I feed these young ones. That's where we put the feed. So I close this door. Nimenikata.
Hiyo kitu ni baya. Sijui kama utaweza kushika hivi.
Gani?
Ile iko hapa.
Nini hiyo? Oh, kachiki. So guys, this stick is out. I have to catch it and return it there. So guys, as you can see, the rabbits are eating. So we close the door. So guys, that's how we feed our chickens here in the village, Africa. These big ones, they have to feed themselves, guys. They're big enough to feed for themselves. Others are down there looking for food. If you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.